Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd. My respected brothers and sisters in Islam, let me explain now the limit or level of the taqwa, what is required. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran Majid, Ittaqullaha mastata'tum. Ittaqullah mastata'tum. Fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala how much you have capacity, how much you have ability, how much you can. If we facing any sin and we try our best to keep ourselves away from that, then certainly, insha'Allah, we paid the haqq, the right of taqwa. That time we were muttaqi. I have very beautiful example of Yusuf alayhi salam. When Zulaikha suggested him in the closed door, he was stuck up. There was no way out for Yusuf alayhi salam. She gave him all threats. Now what Yusuf alayhi salam did? Though he knew the doors are locked, but what he did? He tried his best to reach at least up to the door. He ran toward the door. He did what he could do. Now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, with his qudrat, he unlocked all doors and he was out of that palace where husband of Khadija was standing, and she followed him. Look, he did not follow his intellect. Intellect was saying, doors are locked. But what he did his best what he could do. This is the best formula we got. If we face any such condition where there is chance of committing the sin, we should try our level best to be out of that situation. God helps those who help themselves. Inshallah, you will be saved. Taqwa of salat is to make salat with khushu and khudu, with all proper etiquettes. Taqwa of saum, fasting, is to control your own nafs and desire. Even for some time, be away from halal stuff. halal action. Taqwa of the mal, the wealth, is to spend fi sabilillah, pay the zakat and sadaqat. The taqwa of ilm is to put ilm into action and also propagate the ilm. A taqwa of Quran Majid, that we pay the haqooq, rights of Quran Majid. We should understand Quran and act accordingly. There are 7 haqooq of Quran Majid. First of all, we should believe that Quran Majid is a Kalamullah. Number 2, we should respect and honor Quran Majid. Number 3, we should be able to recite Quran Majid, do tilawat with correct pronunciation and intonation with tajweed. Number 4, we should know the meaning of Quran Majid. Number 5, we should know the tafsir of Quran Majid, explanation of Quran Majid. Number 6, we should put Quran Majid in our action. We should act upon do and don't of Quran Majid. And last, we should propagate Quran Majid. This is the taqwa of Quran. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with the taqwa of our ibadat and taqwa of our every deed, every social deed, personal deed. Wa akhir da'wana an alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Please share this video as a sadaqah jariyah. Jazakallah khair.